Motor direction control parameter. Parameter group 2 and parameter 04, that's means 2-04 is the parameter for motor direction control, where default setting is 0, that's means both operation forward and reverse allowed. If you set 1, reverse rotation will disable, and if set 2, forward rotation will be disabled. So we set here 2, that's means now only reverse rotation will be allowed. We run the drive and motor will rotate only reverse rotation. But if we set here 1, that time reverse rotation will be disabled and only forward we can run the motor in forward rotation. So run the drive and motor rotate in forward mode, where forward is blinking and reverse is off position, and displaying forward activated but reverse not displayed in keypad mode. So if you set here 0 after stopping the drive, this parameter only saved when motor will be stopped. So set here 0. Now you can set forward or reverse both position by keypad. By mode button we can change here forward or reverse and run accordingly. Actually forward and reverse rotation, one way rotation is required in pump, knitting machine, and another way. Where you have required to one way rotation, that time you need to control another rotation mode. Sometimes you need to control disabled reverse rotation. So that time you use this parameter 2-04 motor direction control in Delta VFDB. So thank you for watching.